always wanted to buy a power station from EcoFlow, but they've always been so expensive. But recently they've been on sale on Jumia and I managed to get my hands on the River for 163,000 naira. After using it for a few weeks, there's been some ups and downs, the display being one of my favorite things, but also I came across this weird issue with the battery. Now the unboxing experience is actually pretty premium. Every layer feels intentional and well thought out. It's like EcoFlow actually cared. Now looking at the main unit, the first thing that caught my eye was the screen. It actually has a pretty big display compared to the previous power stations I've looked at, so that was nice to see. On the left side of the device, we have the input section, we have the AC charge port, we have the reset button, as well as the DC charge port. And on the right side of the device, we have two AC outlets which support 600 watts output. Now a lot of accessories came in with this device, which was nice to see. We have the solar charge adapter, we have the AC power cord, a DC car charger, so you can actually charge this device with your car, which is insane, a DC to DC power cable, as well as another AC power cable. The device came with a variety of ports which were conveniently placed at the front of the device. We have 3 USB-A's and 1 USB-C, which supports 100 watts of fast charging, which can basically charge your laptop if you wanted to. It also comes with a flashlight, which I find myself not knowing I'll be using as much, but I ended up using it so often because when there's a power outage, you just reach out, press the button, and you have a light source. Now let's talk about one of my favorite parts of this device, the display. It's actually pretty sharp and it has enough information to know what exactly the device is doing, but not too much that it will overwhelm you. It shows the battery percentage, input and output wattage, as well as how long the battery will last or charge for depending on the load it's powering. Speaking of charging, I mainly charge this device through the AC input just because it's more convenient and I don't have any solar panel at my house. It charges in about an hour or so from 0 to 100%, which is crazy fast for a 288 watt hour battery. And when it's plugged in and starts charging, it slowly and gradually increases the amount of power it's drawing from your outlet, and it's shown right there on the screen, so you can tell how much power you're actually drawing from the grid. The device also comes with a car outlet which charges mini fridges and other small appliances, and that also comes with a dedicated power on and off switch, which I love. But anyways, on the bottom of the device, it has these 4 rubber feet, which is nice if you want to keep the device in a stationary position, and if you want to move it around, it's actually pretty light. You can easily carry it with one hand, as I'm demonstrating in this clip. So it's very portable in that sense, so you can take it hiking, take it traveling. Ever since I've got this device, I've had this issue with the battery. It doesn't go all the way to 0% before dying. It dies at around 20 to 15%, which is weird because I don't know if it's a setting I have to adjust, or this issue is only present in this unit, or this is how EcoFlow generally works. I tried researching it online, but I couldn't find any concrete solutions to this problem. Let me know in the comment section if you have the same issue or you have a solution for me to try. Now the device does come with an app, which I found really useful. I basically control the device using the app all the time, but to pair the device with the app, you have to press this IoT button, long press it until the Wi-Fi icon flashes on the screen. Once that's done, go to the Play Store, download the app and create an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Click on add a device or system, turn on Bluetooth, allow everything, and let your phone try and find the device automatically. If that doesn't work, scroll down, you see multiple devices, try and find the exact device you have and click on that. This device is EcoFlow River, so we're going to find that. Connect to the EcoFlow Wi-Fi, go back to the add the device page and try scanning again. If that doesn't work, close the app, reopen it, and it should detect the device automatically. Now once you press that, you are going to connect to your home Wi-Fi and not the EcoFlow one. Wait for the thing to do its thing and it should connect successfully. Once connected, you'll be brought to this page where you can see everything about the device. You can see exactly what's plugged in, the temperature of the device, how long it will last, if it's charging or not. Other than the battery issue, I don't have any complaints on this device. Again, I don't know if that's just an issue on this particular unit or that's generally how EcoFlow works. But other than that, this device is an absolute recommendation for people that value portable power and uninterrupted power supply. If you guys want me to do a load test and what exactly this device can power, let me know in the comment section below, and also comment the devices you want me to test. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.